That's when you know you live the ultimate slow life, is when you eat the yoghurt out of the pot. You don't even need to put it in a bowl and wash up.
After breakfast, it was time to head to the yard and let the ponies out. I fed them and then put them out in the field like I do every single morning. It was a lovely day this day, and it's literally finally stopped raining and the weather is seeing some sunshine.
Look at all the lovely birds.
It's now time to muck out the stables and leave everything ready for tonight so I can just literally grab them in.
Just out on a lovely country walk. We'll piss up the flowers. Here's a little slow coach. Takes his time, doesn't he, Cos? If you look through there, the little horses are having a lay down. Cosmo, come. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Cosy likes this walk because he always meets loads of friends. He's met about 10 friends already, haven't you, Cosy? Cute little horsey footprints through here. Just walking back to the car now, aren't we, Cosy? We're near the end onto the road, so I'll just put you back on the lead, haven't I? What a beautiful walk. Tommy the tortoise is having a stroll. It's literally like pet corner in here. The house needs a clean as well. Cosmo's trying to nick Terry's treat. Cosmo, get out of his face. Put little Tommy out for a bit.
All the spring flowers are starting to come through in the garden now, so everything's looking a lot more bright and colourful.
Actually just been and got my nails done. They look smashing, ready for my birthday. I've very kindly been sent this bird feeder by Peckperk, and it's basically a bird feeder that you fill up with bird food, but it's got a camera in the middle so that every bird that comes and sits and eats the feed, you can see it on the camera and it comes through to your phone. You can save everything on an SD card so you can go back and see what birds have been eating from your feeder. I thought that was really cute because I get some lovely birds come and eat all the bird seeds. So I thought, do you know what, sometimes I miss a lot of them. It'll be good to just flick my phone up and see what's there. So I'm going to unbox it now. I did just open it to check it was all in one piece, which it is. As you can see, this is the main device and this is the camera. And the bird seed sort of slots down here. You must open this and put the seed in. It's got all bits for a wall mount. Mine's not actually going to go on the wall. I'm going to hang it, I think. Oh, this is the solar panel. It's got like a mounting bracket at the back. I've added that little perch for the birds as well.
You then just download the Peckperk app and that's where you can view the camera. Now I'm just going to put the bird feeder up. I'm going to put it next to my current one so they're all sort of in a row so the birds all come to one area. But I'm just filling it all up now and then I'm going to put the lid on, put all the waterproof catches over so no water can get into it. and then see what birds come. I am extremely bad with technology, but I will just say this bird feeder was so easy to set up. It's literally a matter of putting the seeds in, shutting the lid, organising all the bits together, and then going on the app, which is so easy to use. It does actually come in 2 colours, beige and orange, but I chose beige because I just thought it looked really nice. But yeah, here it is all set up. I've just tied it round my little trellis thing, and it is really secure. I think the birds are going to love it. As you can see, literally within seconds of putting the bird feeder up, the birds all started using it. So if you're at home and love all wildlife and nature like me, then do get yourself one of these. Also, one cool feature is that the app's got AI-powered bird ID, so it can accurately identify 11,000 birds, so you will always know what sort of bird is on your table. This is the footage that came through on my phone. How cute is that? It also alerts you when there's movement when birds are on the table. And the final thing worth mentioning is that it's solar powered, so it comes with a large built-in solar panel, so there's no need to buy any additional power sources. And you can also have up to 4 people viewing the same feeder. I actually just come to my local farm shop. They do the most amazing vegetables, flowers, fruit, cakes, and they have a lovely tea room, so I'm going to have to get a coffee and maybe like a sourdough sausage thing. Toasty. But yeah, I'm not going to film whilst I'm in there because I feel like an absolute twat. But I thought I'd just do a little intro here and show you around the farm shop. There's cars coming in now and I'm already getting embarrassed, but I've got to get over this, I suppose, haven't I? But yeah, I've just come from a riding lesson, and then so I am in all my horse gear, but I'm just going to show you around the shop. I do need to pick up a load of vegetables and fruit today and just see what's there, really. Last time I did buy a cake and I managed to eat the whole thing on the way home, so I'm not going to buy any cakes today because I'm on a health kick and that just really doesn't sit right with me, because then I regretted it for about 30 days after. So no cakes are getting purchased today, but we'll see what I get.
Cosmo was just checking out what I've bought from the farm shop. Now I've got these lovely little tulips that I found. I'm going to put them in a vase, one in the front room, one in the kitchen. And then I got some bananas, strawberries. These strawberries are banging. Cucumber. Then in here I got some tomatoes, broccoli, and a punnet of grapes. Can you call that a punnet? A bag of grapes. So yeah, got those. Let's put these in the vases so that they don't die. But yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed my little bacon sandwich, coffee and brownie. I was a bit naughty with the brownie. I said I wasn't going to get cake, so I didn't get cake, but I got brownie instead. I'm also fully aware I look like terrible because my hair needs a good brush, but to be honest, when you get to my age, I just don't really care. Like, obviously it's nice to look nice, but I'm not obsessed with it. I'll just literally turn up how I turn up. And if I look a bit bewildered or drag through a hedge backwards, so be it. It's country living. I'm outside a lot. Let's put these in the bin. I mean, this vase might be a tiny bit wide for them, but I need to cut them. Well, they're a bit leafy, aren't they? Are you allowed to take the leaves off? I'm doing it anyway. Don't want it to look like pure leaf. Might shorten them a tiny bit more. There you go. Beautiful. can go up here. I think it's safe to say these ones also need a refresh. They're dead as a newt. These can go in the front room, these ones.
They look pretty, don't they, Cozzy?
These are by the fireplace, these ones. Cute. I literally put these up here an hour ago and they've already all opened. Just watching the Gold Cup, I've put a bet on. Woo! I won £182.
You had a nap. You had a nice walk, didn't you, this morning? Hello. We're going to take you for a ride, Eli. He says, yeah, I'm not too keen at the moment, but when you get on me, I'll love it. One thing about Eli is he loves a kiss. You want a kiss? Mwah. You're so cute. I have actually only ridden Eli about 5 times in my life. He's only young, so I've just started riding him, but he's so sweet. He absolutely loves it. But I'm just literally doing a bit of walk and trot today, and you will see I do try my first canter, but it was a bit feisty, shall we say. And then we just do some pole work. Is that nice, Sus? Syl's all rugged up and ready for bed, aren't you? He gets a bit jealous when I ride the Shetland and not him, even though he's been exercised today. Night-night. Night-night. Have a good sleep. I've had a shower. I'm now just going to chill for the rest of the evening. Cosmo isn't, he wants to play. But I'm going to put some crap on TV, probably drink about 30 cups of tea and then go to bed. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's given you a good insight to my life day to day and just being in the countryside. I absolutely love this lifestyle, so it's what I'm going to continue to do. I'm very grateful. Please do subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!